Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all of you who reached out to me in June. My invitation to reach out for a 30-minute conversation, I opened it up to all of you, all of my clients, old, new, and future, and many of you took advantage of the opportunity, and I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out. Because you reached out and because we had this time together, I really discovered how needed it is to come together and to really have a space where we can connect, communicate, ask questions, be in circle together. It was very clear to me based on our conversations that this is something that is needed, and some of you straight out asked me for it. And so I wanted to share with you this week that I am starting to do a live Facebook group session every Monday, starting next Monday, which is the 11th of July. Next Monday, July 11th, from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York City time. And I'm going to do a Q&A live session. So essentially, I will bring a theme to this live session, and the theme can range from anywhere from how to communicate mindfully with your partner, how to begin a meditation practice, what to do if you feel stuck in your life right now, how to deal with anxiety and some of the physiological affectations that come from experiencing anxiety, what to do about about loss or lack of sleep, all the way to holistic anatomy. I'm going to talk about holistic anatomy. I'm going to talk about real physiological cases, such as how to get rid of gout. What is gout? How to get rid of gout? What else? Some of you have experienced rashes. Unusually, you don't usually get rashes, but anxiety has brought up rashes on your body. Others have shared about how they are experiencing intestinal problems. And all of these are related to your mindset. All of these eruptions, physiological eruptions, are connected to your mindset, to your thinking patterns, to emotional condition. And right now, there's a lot going on emotionally. We are at an unprecedented time in the history of humankind, and so there's a lot going on. And so I want to have these weekly classes with you, these weekly sessions, these live sessions. Of course, they'll be recorded and they'll be uploaded to the Facebook group. And the Facebook group that I'm going to be on is my Art of Alignment Creative Leadership Program for performing artists and creatives. That's the name of the group. Art of Alignment Creative Leadership Coaching Program for performing artists and creatives. So if you want to join the conversation, you can ask to be added to my group every Monday, starting next Monday, July 11th, 2022, from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. I'll go on live. I will be there every Monday, no matter what. And we'll have a Q&A. So if you have time, please join me. You can ask me live questions. We can have an exchange. And it's also a way for us to come together. It's also a way for us to show up in a circle, a virtual circle, where we can be in a space together, and that you have a touch point. You have some place to go once a week if you want to communicate with me. It's completely open. And of course, as usual, the invitation is for us to show up mindfully, to show up from a heart-centered space. There is no space for criticism, minimization, judgment, or any negativity in this group. So if you join us, you can ask questions and partake, and I ask you to please always remember to come from a place of awareness, of mindfulness. And so that if you ask a question or if there's interaction going on, that we are practicing what we want to model in the world. We are practicing mindful communication, not judgment, and really coming together to support one another. I really hope to see you next Monday. If not, it will be recorded and it'll be on my Facebook group page. If you're not on Facebook, sorry, I invite you maybe to join, if only for this reason. It will be fruitful. I promise to bring some exciting and interesting themes that relate to our condition, to where we are today in the world. And sometimes also I'll bring in some case studies from my research, from the work that I've done over the past 15 years as a somatic practitioner and 30 years in the area of personal development and peak performance coaching. And I've done that through a variety of industries, fitness, physical fitness. I worked with Cirque du Soleil for many, many years, and all of these pieces and all of these areas that I worked, there was always a component of me learning, expanding, and being in coaching environments, both as a student and as a coach, as a teacher. I hope to see you next Monday. Many blessings to you all. Have a safe weekend. Bye.